traders Alla on July 12th, 10:19 EST, prior to oil news. So please take a look. This is oil monthly chart. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room for the last 7 years. When you take a look at this chart, you see extremely clearly the accuracy of the method. This was a reversal zone on oil in 2011. This is where oil collapsed from. Oil taking a major pause at crucial Fibonacci support for the following 4 years. If you're using monthly chart, you're holding position for months and years. Finally, oil collapsed from 120 area all the way to reversal zone. This is where buyers stepped in from in 2015, and this is where buyers struggled to break through. Agree on that? So, this is what happened on oil, as you're witnessing how crucial this Fibonacci resistance is. This is the end of the minor trend. Bullish trend was weak. This is where oil collapsed to, again in 2016. And this is where buyers stepped in from, struggling at this Fibonacci resistance, crawling up a little higher. So let's take a look and let's see if there is more to the story, as every single chart connected to the next time frame. If you remember the importance of the end of the minor trend in 2015, it is the end of the minor trend on weekly. This is exactly why oil collapsed from on monthly chart. Exact same reversal zone in 2016, and it's exact same the end of the minor trend. Except weekly chart, your whole time a couple of months, a couple of weeks, not months and years if you're using monthly. And this is the end of the minor trend, famous 55 level that oil's struggling to break through. Next, you are taking a look on daily. This is a chart that's been present in the room for the last 2 months. April 12th was the most powerful bullish news. My bias was firmly bearish, as OPEC production cuts were announced. Oil collapsed 1,000 points, more actually 1,200 points, until this support. So, if you're using daily chart, more than likely you're an options trader. Buyers in charge this morning on daily, what we need is a pullback in order to take long. Next, you are taking a look on day trading chart. If you hold time, a couple of minutes. This is a chart that's been present in the room since the start of July. This was reversal zone on oil. This is where sell-off started. This is where sell-off picked up this steam from last week at the time of oil news. We are very close to exactly same place. Bullish rally in progress, but if you're buying randomly, success is not possible. We need a powerful pullback on oil. Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. Every single indicator is delayed. Fibonacci levels you can identify if you know the rules far in advance on any instrument you choose. Bullish rally is quite powerful on day trading chart. However, without powerful pullback, touching oil is not a wise thing to do. If oil will head up to here, you will never pull a bullish trigger. If you do, this is what you get. I don't care if it's the most bullish news on oil. All I care about, this is a brick wall. This is a red light. And you know extremely well that driving through red light at 90 miles an hour, not an option. We're expecting Oil news, expectations minus 3 ME. Anything more negative is a bullish news. Anything more positive is a bearish news. Oversupply, bad news. Undersupply, bullish news. Unlike any other instrument, completely inverse. So, the reason why I like bringing up oil news to the trading room, as you see instantly accuracy of the method. You don't need to wait for days, weeks and months. You see it instantly. So, we don't care what the news is. All we care, if price comes to reversal zone, we need powerful pullback. As S&P dancing in correction, as I warned you an hour ago. This is broker's heaven. This is when broker printing money. As buyers exhausted on S&P and sellers are weak. And please remember, this is what S&P had done yesterday. Horrific news about emails from Trump's son. And all I could say, it doesn't mean a thing. It's Fibonacci Reversal Zone. Bias is bullish. And this is where we are this morning on S&P, 30 points later. If you choose to buy this high, your success rate 15%. Unfortunately, sellers are weak. And that's what we're monitoring in the market now. More powerful the pullback, more interesting market will become. Buyers currently fully in charge, market taking a major pause. More powerful the pullback, more interesting market will become. News in 3 minutes. So, keep your fingers crossed. Price will pull back lower. This is excellent place to monitor for long, only if rules are met. Let's go to oil and let's convert this chart to 1 minute chart so you can see instantly the accuracy of the method. So you can see instantly that buying at reversal zone not an option. This is crucial Fibonacci support. This is a place where we're expecting bounce. This is a place we're expecting pullback. Oil news is out, traders. We have no idea what the news is. Let's take a look on the news. Oh my god, this is something I've never seen. Extremely bullish. Minus 76. Oh, it's M, not ME. Yeah, this is quite a number, but it's not ME, it's M. So, if that was ME, that would be quite an number. It is very bullish news, traders, on oil. So, let's pay attention to reversal zone. Are you surprised what you're witnessing in front of you? Boom! How did I know? This is not the place to buy near. Fibonacci will override any news. It's that simple. You don't have to wait for days, weeks and months. Who the heck cares? It's bullish news. Clear on that? And that's the power of Fibonacci. And that's all that matters. Price action and Fibonacci, what moves the markets? What forms the markets? You're witnessing it instantly each and every time during oil news. It's exact same thing that's happening on Tesla. Except this is weekly chart. Exact same strategy. Chart present in front of you for the last 2 years. This is reversal zone. Who cares that Tesla exceeded market cap on GM and Ford? This is reversal zone you never buy near. This is crucial Fibonacci support. Never ever short near. And that's identically what's happening on oil now. I warned you, this is support. What is the difference? This is 1 minute chart, that is weekly. You're trading 1 minute, you're trading hourly, you are day trader. You're trading weekly, you are investor. This support was never broken. Knowing rules for the support, knowing where to monitor for long is everything. And that remains the key. Buy as low as possible, never near reversal zone. And that remains the only rule you ever obey as a day trader, as an investor. And that's the reason I love oil news. And that's the accuracy of the method. No matter what instrument you trade, no matter what time frame. Are you holding position for days, weeks and months or years? Choice is yours. Price action the same everywhere. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. As exact same thing recently gold had done. It's a reversal zone. Weekly chart. Chart present in front of you for the last 5 years. And this is crucial support, where gold is now. Last time around, buyers stepped in with vengeance at the start of 2017 and early 2017, and this is where gold is now. You know the rules, you know what to do. Never buy at reversal zone. If you ever buy at reversal zone, your success rate less than 15%. And that's oil news. The identical dance played out on Apple, the chart present in front of you for years. Stunning earnings 2015, Apple collapses completely. Horrific earnings 2016, and I tell you, it's Fibonacci support. You know the rules, you know where to buy Apple. This is where Apple now at reversal zone. Knowing what to do with your position is a key. Apple is doing exact same thing as S&P had done for the last hour. Apple in massive correction on weekly. You don't have to wait weeks or months to witness the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly on day trading charts. What's happening on Apple weekly identical to S&P 1-minute chart? What's happening on oil 1-minute chart identical to Apple weekly. Dance is on. And that's the reason I love oil news. Using anything other than price action and Fibonacci is simply waste of time. Levels present in front of you for over a week, in a play right now. Never short near crucial Fibonacci support, never buy near reversal zone. Bullish news does not mean a thing. My goodness, look on oil. Bullish news once again does not mean a thing. If news meant something, everyone would be printing money. It doesn't mean anything. The only thing that means everything is Fibonacci and price action. I warned you, not the place to buy. Who cares about bullish news? As S&P remains in massive correction, completely frozen, doing nothing. So, if you would like to join us in the course, I highly encourage you. Review all the information on the website, underlearn, and never hesitate to contact me. info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Class just started. I highly encourage you, please listen to graduates who trade various instruments, from options, stocks, to forex, to ETFs, my students, my dearest friends for life. If I am to close trading room for a couple of weeks, If I am to take a couple of days off, I promise you I will teach more than ever, because I live and breathe what I do. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for your time. Have a marvelous day. S&P remains frozen. Not selling off. S&P stock at reversal zone. Have a marvelous afternoon.